Hello friends, welcome back to my vlog. So it's our last day in Bali and we have come back to Kuta area in Bali as the airport is just nearby, hardly 5 minutes drive from here. And this is our hotel known as Kuta Paradiso. And during our second day in Bali also we stayed here. That was garden facing room and this one is pool facing room. Let me give you a room tour first. So that was a washroom closet area. This is our uh, room. The king size bed is here, the TV unit, study table, and a big balcony facing the swimming pool and the restaurant area. So over here on the left hand side you can spot this restaurant where the buffet also happens, breakfast buffet, and it's a very nice restaurant with open sitting and we had a great time here. So this is a very old hotel. It was built in 1988 around, but they have maintained the property so well that it doesn't look like it's a very old property. But yeah, amazing stay, massive hotel, beautiful rooms and outdoors. Everything was super nice here. So I had a great time, and that was the reason we came back again in this hotel. And also at the same time it's very reasonable. So if you are looking for something really nice, a 5-star property with a budget, something in your which comes in your budget, then this is the one. So now we are heading out to get some massage. So we are tired of just roaming around the whole places. So today we are going for massage, and we spotted a very nice massage parlor here. So let's go there and check it out. Also, this hotel I recommend because everything is just nearby, walking distance. So we came at this massage parlor. This is a room where we are going to take massage, and this is rest of the place with a beautiful view outside. So they do pedicure, manicure, and do nail extensions, etc. And also they have a proper salon here. So a very nice salon, very nice experience we had here. Thank you. So now we are exploring the little bit of Kuta market, and then we will be going to the Kuta beach. Since during our last stay in Kuta we did not get time to explore the Kuta beach. So just exploring the places around, and it's good for shopping, especially when you're looking for the brand replicas. So you get these things very reasonable price, like this watch shop where we entered. So you get all luxury premium watches at a very reasonable prices. Hello.
चिकन बॉस खाएगा और कौन चिकन हाँ खा लो थोड़ा सा
So this is the way to Kuta beach. Let's go and check out the beach. The weather is super nice right now and it's about to rain anytime. So just want to explore the beach before it starts raining. So till now, luckily, it used to rain mostly in the night. In the daytime, the weather used to be clear and at the same time very pleasant. It was not very sunny, very hot, a perfect weather. We were here in the month of June end we were here. It was a perfect time to visit this place. And we used to sit outdoors mainly and never used to feel hot. So yeah, we had a great time here in the month of June. Just look at the beach vibe here. And we have beautiful sitting outside. You can order your drinks, order your food here, and enjoy this beautiful serene beach view. So we sat here for some time, we had our drinks, and then we came to explore the rest of the market. So this is the Hard Rock Hotel. They also have their rock shop over here, and there is some live music going on here, and the streets look very happening. And suddenly, actually, it started to rain, so we had to leave the beach. And anyways, it was sunset. We watched a nice sunset at the beach. Now let's explore rest of the place, do some shopping and have dinner.
Always there's a pizza hut.
No problem. Anywhere with the view, I can.
Whatever you want to eat, you'll get 50% discount. Always mom. That time rain will all stop.
Okay.
And we'll go and shop.
It's not. So we also spotted this beautiful Kuta Beach Heritage Hotel, which was right opposite the Kuta Beach, and it's owned by Accor. It also has Accor membership. So if you are a member of Accor, you can avail your membership here. So somehow I like this hotel. So we keep on noticing such hotels which we like on our way, and we don't book all the if we are staying at one place for like a week or 10 days, we don't pre-book our hotels. We come visit the place and we book it according to our convenience and where we want to stay. So we keep on exploring different properties. Wherever we like, we go and we check out the property and then we check in. So it started raining heavily suddenly, and we are looking for a place to sit somewhere. This is again Kuta Sea View Boutique Hotel, another very beautiful property by the beach.
Oh, nice.
It started raining and we wanted to do some shopping. Came at this shop which had this beautiful Nike sneakers. Also they had Air Jordans, not the real ones but the replicas. And we came to this beautiful mall opposite Kuta Beach. And let's explore the mall since it's raining heavily outside and we can't explore outside. It's got this beautiful place inside this mall. So let's go and sit here for a while.
पास्ता और क्या बाहर पास्ता है तो बट इसमें कोई सॉस नहीं डाली
So inside the mall we found this beautiful restaurant known as Sardinia. I think this is how they pronounce it. So there was live music, a great gravy, pasta, a very nice vibe here. We almost sat here for 2.5 hours and we didn't even realize. This is the outside of the place. They also had outside sitting, but we preferred inside because of the music. And now let's explore the rest of the mall.
এবার দেখ
this mall was actually very nice, and they had all the premium brands, also the normal brands. And yeah, perfect to spend a few hours to shopping and have dinner or lunch. Then Ayan wanted to check out Legoland, so we'll be going there after a while.
Replica.
Yeah. The name
Name is Replica.
बहुत बढ़िया है, वेरी नाइस.
नहीं नहीं है. अच्छा अच्छा ओके. Also guys, if you guys like my vlogs, then do share my video as much as you can. Also subscribe to my channel for more of such videos. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys are liking all my vlogs and all. So this is a very nice place for kids also. They will also enjoy. There are various activities for kids as well. And had a great time here. So that's it guys. We'll be going back to our hotel since it's raining very heavily, and I'll see you tomorrow. And we'll be going to airport. So guys, good morning, and it's our last day. I mean, we are traveling back to Delhi, and this is my OOTD, my airport look, wearing Adidas original this tracksuit. All my packing is done, and just done light makeup, not even light makeup, just applied sunscreen and lipstick and some mascara, and all set, saying bye bye to this beautiful property Kuta Paradiso and our room. All my bags are packed, just waiting for my cab to come. And yeah, this balcony looks super nice. I'm going to miss this beautiful view of Bali. And this is the hotel lobby, just waiting for like our cab. So Grab works best here whenever you guys come to Bali. Download this app Grab. You get your motorbikes, your cars on rent, as well as cabs you get. So airport is just 5 minutes away from here. That's the best part. So our cab came and we are just heading to airport. And stay tuned for my next vlog for the whole our flight experience. We are traveling by Air Asia business class for a change this time, so I'm gonna show you my business class experience this time. And until then, bye bye, take care, and see you in my next vlog.